What? Get out of the way.
Person that you want ruling on other people's.
My God.
Started. What is happening?
Why are you on the wrong side of the road?
Why were you there for so long?
You're just
What are you
sitting
doing?
there.
Oh
My God.
Oh, they were waiting to pick that girl up on the wrong side of the road.
Like in the middle of the road. It's not like. Wow.
After that, they would expect me to be back and physically in the office. At least you signaled.
No, that's not okay. Really? Holy
Not close. Not even a little bit.
Have a video you want featured on the channel? Send it to me at DashCamDriverHD@gmail.com. Mercedes behind us just tried to pass the GTI in front of it in the merge, and the guy driving the GTI was like, no way.
No.
That's not how you merge, dude. God, you're making it so awkward for everybody else.
My house. Just to find out that there's a complication.
Whoa! God. Okay. What the Whoa! What the idiot? Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Wow, great. That works great.
It was tough. Siren and
Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel and you like watching bad drivers do dumb things, I post new videos about that pretty much every week. So click the subscribe button, and you can also tap the little bell if you want to get notifications every time I post a new video.